Hi guys, today I'm going to be singing Riptide for you. Since I haven't played the ukulele, I've been playing it 2 months. I was about to do it for Lost Boy, but it was kind of hard to play the ukulele while sitting at a chair, so I'm going to do a ukulele version today. Let's get started. Decides to quit his job and heads to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been running on the highest tail. Cause I don't know, because I come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I'm gonna be your lieutenant. I love you when you sing that song. I hope you like it, guys. And one part I made a mistake. Okay, no, I didn't make a mistake. So I hope you enjoyed my Riptide cover, and I hope you like the scenery because my mom painted it. So all thanks to her. It's like a garden or something. My favorite part of it is probably the sky and the clouds because they're colorful, and it's like a sunset. Okay, this is how it looks like, and it actually looks realistic a little bit. So I hope you like it. So if you want to know how to play the ukulele, it's simple. It's like, if you know how to play the guitar, you can play the ukulele basically. So it's okay. So as in guitar, I don't know how to play the guitar, but so if you want to know the because if you want to know the chords of the Riptide, it's just simple. It's A, G, C. C, it usually has a lot of strums. Only in the beginning it's like this. And then later when it goes to the chorus, lady running on the Riptide, it's a lot like the C in the beginning, like all of the chords, so it's like this. So it's basically like that. So I hope you liked the video, and comment down below if you know how to play the guitar or ukulele. They're great. Thank you for watching.